Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, May 18th. And we are looking at Window Traders Market Profile of SPY IWMN Triple Qs. And after finishing strong yesterday, after Powell's interview, thought the market had a pretty good chance to continue to get some legs to the upside. But we did say there's both price vacuums on the upside and downside. We had an 8-wide POC yesterday, but I said, I want 9 or more. Really nothing except the afternoon pullback and the day's low. And look where we're trading right now. Now, Target came out with their lack of earnings. They're down 25%, down over $50. Walmart got crushed yesterday. So when you have the head of the Fed telling you a year ago there's no inflation, then it's transitory. Now we're going to have a soft landing. Like I said, if you believe a word these people tell you, then we deserve everything we get. They're all liars and they're all clueless and they're so far behind it's not even funny. So this market definitely has pain, more pain in it going forward. But just looking at it, taking out the weekly high, we were one time framing up on the daily. Thought the market had a chance to get some more legs and trade in a large balance until they meet again next month, which is pretty useless anyway. Still think that's a possibility. We'll see if we take out yesterday's low. If we do, the daily would then come into balance again. Right now it's up. The weekly is in balance. So they did accomplish that yesterday. Right now, overnight high is 409.10. Overnight low is 404. Let me see if it changed since we've been speaking. 404.65. So game plan for this morning. Well, we said the odds of opening inside yesterday's range were good, and we should get tremendous chop because there's nothing really to lean on. You do have the 8-wide POC and the afternoon pullback, and that's right now levels that they've been trading at this morning. Can you take a long against the afternoon pullback? You can. Again, there's $90 worth of heat to the day's low. So if you get below J's low, I would not hold on to that. I'd have a stop below that. Then again, if you want to test yesterday's low to see if they defend the one-time framing up, you could take a long against that. By that time, though, you're going to have at least overlapping to low of value. And then below yesterday's low, there's nothing until our 9-wide POC from the 16th. So I'd be a little careful on any longs. If you get acceptance below yesterday's low, we should go trade at that POC. And then you can look for shorts below there. On the flip side, if we open and just chop inside of here, there really is no trade. We'll be in value, in balance. It's going to be all over the place. Let the market settle down, see if it wants to get a direction back towards the high or the day's low once they digest, Target's earnings and anything else that comes out. We have a 20-year bond auction at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So, again, a push up. The first short I would look at might be at yesterday's value high, which is around H's high. That's kind of where change took place when the market reacted to Powell and J and K and then finally got going in L and M. So we'll see at that level of value high if you could take a short the first time. And then on the chart, again, I'll just show you the daily. The weekly's back in balance. So here's the daily. The daily's up with one time framing up 3 days. If we take out yesterday's low, we're back into balance. You can call it 2-day balance, 4-day balance, whatever you want. We'll see how big a range we have today. So the goal of the buyers is to hold yesterday's low so they continue up. Obviously, the goal of the sellers is to take out yesterday's low. If yesterday's low is defended and we somehow come back to take out yesterday's high, well, then again, there's nothing inside of May 6th day either except that wide POC and the daily high and the 20-day moving average. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.